Sesame beginnings, eyes and nose, fingers and toes. Here we go. Clap your hands and make a sound. Wiggle your fingers all around. Bend and reach to touch your toes. Stand up straight, point to your nose. Open your mouth big and wide. Where's your tongue? It hides inside. Count your eyes, 1 and 2. What color are they? Brown, green, or blue? Now we've said our silly rhyme. Let's play the game one more time. Point to your eyes, mouth, and nose. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. The end. I hope you enjoyed reading a book with me. See you next time. Bye.